Make this shawl, I'm going to work with homespun yarn and a 9mm crochet hook, but you're not going to be able to see the stitches if I use this color yarn, so I'm going to work with this color and put a black background behind it. Okay, so you're going to start out with a foundation chain, and this is going to be your foundation chain here, and you could start with any foundation chain that you'd like, but if you start with chain 40, you'll have a 24-inch long shawl. So I'm going to start with a slip knot, and I'm going to work foundation chain. After you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. So there's the stitch, double crochet in the stitch, and now double crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. Okay, all the way across your foundation chain. Okay, so after you've worked across the foundation chain, every row is going to be exactly the same. It's going to be chain 2 and turn. Now working only in the back side of the stitch, you're going to double crochet. Now find the back side of the next stitch, double crochet. And that's all there is to this shawl. You just work a rectangle. Here are the following lengths to work for all the different sizes. So find the back side of the stitch and double crochet. Find the back side of the stitch, double crochet. Like that, and you're going to work across the row, then you'll chain 2 and turn, working in the back side of the stitch, double crochet in each stitch. And you'll keep working row after row until you have a rectangle like this. And there's what it will look like in the color blue that I used, and you just keep working row after row until this is as long as you need it to be. And you can use it without fringe like this on the ends. But to make fringe, cut yarn at approximately 10 inches long. Now you're going to fold it in half like this. You'll find your first stitch, insert your hook into the stitch, pick up that fold and bring it through, and then bring those 2 ends through the loop like that. Now if you want to read a full fringe, use 3 strands. And if you just want a regular fringe, use 2 strands. And then when you're all done, just trim all the ends evenly. And that's all you need to know to be able to work this rectangle shawl.